What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something absolutely insane, an exclusive real-life hands-on look at Samsung's next-gen foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. I know you're hyped, because this is one of the biggest foldable upgrades we've ever seen. From its brand new design to a hidden display crease, you seriously don't want to miss a single second of this. So stay tuned, because I'm breaking it all down for you right now. Okay. Let's kick things off with these leaked hands-on images. These are not renders. These are legit, actual photos of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in action. Tipster Jukan Luster dropped these shots, and guys, in that incredible blue finish, the phone looks absolutely stunning. Just take a look at how premium this thing feels. And here's a question for you. Would you pick that blue color, or are you more of a classic black kind of person? Let me know down in the comments. I'm really curious. Moving on to the design changes, Samsung has finally ditched those polarizing camera rings from last year. So many fans complained about them, and Samsung listened. They've brought back that clean, elegant camera styling we saw on the Galaxy Fold 5 and the S24 Ultra, which gives it a much more refined, high-end look. Now, let's talk about the cover display. It's gotten a big upgrade, stretching out to 6.5 inches. That basically means it feels like a traditional phone when you keep it folded, which is a huge win for everyday usability. But the real star of the show? When you open up the Fold 7, you get this absolutely massive 8-inch immersive screen. Perfect for gaming, multitasking, or watching your favorite Netflix series. Imagine that on a foldable. And thanks to a clever matte protective film, the display crease is basically invisible now. That's a big deal because let's be honest, nobody likes that ugly crease ruining the experience. Now, let's talk slimness. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is just 8.9mm thick when folded and 4.2mm unfolded. That makes it one of the thinnest foldables ever. Think about slipping this into your pocket. No more brick-like foldables. Samsung really nailed it this time. By the way, quick heads up, Samsung is running some crazy pre-order deals right now. If you reserve your Z Fold 7 or the Watch 8 series, you could win up to $5,000 in Samsung credit. Plus, you'll get a $900 trade-in bonus and an extra $300 instant credit on top. That's a seriously good deal, and you can check the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up. Don't sleep on it. Remember, Samsung is officially launching the Z Fold 7 on July 9th at its Galaxy Unpacked event in the US. They'll also reveal the Z Flip 7, the cheaper Flip FE, and the new Watch Ultra 2025. So there's a lot coming down the pipeline, and you can bet I'll be covering every leak and detail for you guys. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you smash that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. You won't regret it. Alright, what do you guys think? Is this the foldable you've been waiting for? Would you switch from a normal bar phone to this Z Fold 7? I want to hear your honest opinions. Drop a comment below and I'll be replying to as many as I can. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and I'll see you again very soon with more Samsung coverage. Until next time, peace out.